Hi, this is my screencast for milestone 3 of the DevOps pipeline, and this video will be about the deployment component. So this deployment will be regarding checkbox.io. So let's go to the EC2 dashboard and see what's going on. So all I have here is one instance, which is my load balancer, my Redis server, and also my Jenkins server. So this Redis server happens to be the global Redis server. So we'll get to all of that in the following videos, but this video is about deployment. Okay, so as you can see, there are no other instances running. So let's head over into the terminal. So this I've logged into this global, controlling uh, EC2 instance over here, and I've set up Git hooks for this checkbox.io repo. And what this does is that every time there's a git push to the prod remote, this hook is fired, the post receive hook is fired, and it does a curl to a Jenkins job. So I have Jenkins jobs set up for both Canary and for launching regular checkbox instances. And so every time a push to prod happens, this job gets executed by remotely hitting on the URL. Okay, so let's make a minor change to a file, a sample file. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this and commit, and then push to prod. Okay, so I guess the hook worked, and you should be seeing the instance. Yep, the job has been launched. So this is going to take a while before it actually is done. So let's take a look at the post receive hook. So the post receive hook is a simple shell command. Uh, all it does is that it does a curl on the URL, which runs the Jenkins job with the name of the job, and that's about it. So let's head over to the EC2 console. Should be seeing an instance being spun up. Yep. So let's go take a look at the state of the oh yes, and this Jenkins job is actually an Ansible script that gets executed. Um, so you're seeing the output of the Ansible script being executed now. It installs the regular things for checkbox.io. It git clones the repo. It installs all the dependencies, including Redis servers for each and every instance, which will be used later for the feature flag um, version component of the milestone. So as a precaution, I'm killing any previously running Node.js jobs that may be that may exist, but in the case of a fresh instance, that's not a problem at all. So the deployment succeeded, and yes, so we have one running checkbox instance. So let's go try if we can access that in our browser. So I'm going to pick the URL out of here. Yep. So I've also made a small UI element addition that shows me the IP address of the server that is actually serving up the web page. So you can see that this works now. Yeah, so that's the deployment part of the milestone.